Today I show you how you can copy and paste or cut and paste in your Android phone. This is Android 15, but this really works on most Android phones. Even on iPhones it works very similar, the same way the copy paste or cut paste works. And I will explain what copy paste is and what cut paste does. So let's begin. To be able to use copy paste or cut paste, you have to copy some text. I just have something written, I wrote this before with the voice command from here. I just wrote this before with the voice command from the Gboard keyboard. That's pretty nice. Full stop, new line. Okay, so even the formatting works. Great. Full stop, new line. Yeah, it doesn't always work perfectly. So let's say I want to remove this part. Let's say I want to copy a word from here, or I want to copy this paragraph after. I want to put it after. So I select the text. You select the text by long pressing on one word, and then you can drag these handles, the whole text. I don't know if you can select like this. You could also do it like that. So you could select one word and drag the handles all the way to the end, but you can also do like this, long press and then drag the selection area. It's up to you. And here, as you see, you have cut, copy, paste, share, select all, and then read aloud and search. Okay, so the cut will remove it from here and put it in the clipboard. The cut will take the text, remove it from here, and now it's in the clipboard. As you see, the file is in the clipboard. This is the Gboard keyboard, and you can actually see the clipboard on it. You can even have the clipboard history. So I have it here, and I can paste it somewhere else. I could go here and I can press or long press. So long press in this case. Sometimes it doesn't work right away. So now it shows there, and I have the option to paste because it has something in the clipboard, and also paste as plain text. Paste as plain text will remove formatting, and I can just do paste. So that was cut and paste. You lose the position, you lose the file from the original place or the text, and it goes to the new side. You lose the file or the text in the original location, and then it goes on the new location. You can also use the copy. Okay, here this word is a bit hard to select, so I'll select this part. I have to make sure I grab the first letter, the I, and now I can choose copy. And if you see here in the clipboard history, now in the clipboard history I have both of them, because this is a feature of Gboard to have the clipboard history. So I can go on add few lines and then long press, and when you see the menu here for paste, I paste it, and now it's duplicated like that. That's how it works. Copy and paste, and I can do this only with one word. Copy, paste it here. I could add a new word before formatting. Copy, space, like this, paste. And I could do copy and then paste it. I could paste it from here, from the Gboard clipboard there. Something like this. You can do this with files, you can do this with text, with links. Then you can paste multiple times. You can paste this multiple times. You can do this in Excel, in Word, in Google Sheets, Google Docs, in a URL in the browser. You can copy an address from the browser, from the URL, and paste it in a note. You can do this really with anything, copy paste, as long as you know this. Long press on the item, and then you see this pop-up menu here with cut, copy. As long as you see this here, you long press on the item. Also, you can select the whole text and you can cut it. So now it's all gone, and I can bring it back by long press, paste. So it's all back now. The most important thing is to know that you long press on the item that you want to copy and the item is highlighted, and then you have cut, copy, paste, select all. These are really the most important things. Share is also an option where you want to send it to someone with a WhatsApp message or a text message or an RCS message, or send it to an app like Google Drive, I guess. Also that should work. Or an app that is made for notes other than Google Keep or your favorite apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. And if you didn't know how to do copy paste, cut paste, select all on your phone, now you know.